These potatoes are absolutely amazing. It's a must try. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to access all the recipes. You need to peel and cook 8 big potatoes just in water, plain water. Once when the potatoes are cooked, you have to remove the water. Place the potatoes in an oven dish. Smash the potato with a fork until they get more like a puree, but not too much. Add some dry oregano. Salt to taste. And olive oil. Take it to the grill for about 10 minutes. Ready for the salad. Let's take some chicory leaves and arrange in a plate. Let's get 1 cup of cherry tomatoes cut in half. Half a cup of beetroots already cooked. Capsicum 3 calloused, half a cup. Then we have black olives, half a cup. And ginger, fresh ginger. It's about 5 grams of ginger. Chopped garlic as well, fresh garlic. 1 teaspoon of dry oregano. Mix well. Let's get ready for that lunch or dinner. Just arrange your salad on a plate, and then you're going to take the potato on top. Finally, you're going to add some pesto or parsley pesto as a dressing. This is 1 teaspoon of sour cream. This is optional, and also you can try Greek yogurt instead. This is a very colorful dish and an amazing taste. Give it a try.